Before I show you how to use Facebook Audience Insights, I just want to give you a brief overview of what you can learn about your target audience by using this terrific tool. So you can learn about the location of your target audience, their age and gender, their lifestyle, their relationship status, their education level, job title, the pages they like, the languages they speak, their activity on Facebook, the devices they use to access Facebook, then their household income, home ownership, household size, home market value, spending methods, their retail spending, online purchases, purchase behavior, and even the type of car that they drive. How awesome is that? So that's a lot of valuable data, and in the next video we'll take a look at how to access this information and which audiences you should analyze using Audience Insights.